The Kaaba in Makkah is the most sacred place on earth. Every day, 1.8 billion Muslims turn toward it in prayer.
But who built it? And when? The answer takes us back thousands of years, before human history itself. According to Islamic tradition, the very first Kaaba was built by the angels. Then Prophet Adam rebuilt it on the same spot. Some scholars believe the Kaaba existed 2,000 years before the earth was even created, appearing on the surface of water.
The most famous construction was by Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail, by the direct command of Allah. Ismail carried the stones. Ibrahim placed them and built the walls higher and higher with his own hands.
When the walls grew too tall, Ibrahim stood on a flat stone to continue building. That stone still exists, called Maqam Ibrahim. The original Kaaba was a simple rectangular structure with no roof, no decoration, just pure worship of Allah. While building, an angel brought Ibrahim the black stone from paradise, the Hajar-e-Aswad, placed in the eastern corner. Millions of pilgrims today try to touch or kiss this black stone during Hajj and Umrah. It is a deeply emotional moment. Millions of pilgrims today try to touch or kiss this black stone during Hajj and Umrah. It is a deeply emotional moment. In 608 CE, the Quraysh tribe of Makkah rebuilt the Kaaba using stone and wood and raised its door above ground level. Even Prophet Muhammad Confucius helped in this rebuilding before he became a prophet with his own blessed hands. Over time, people filled the Kaaba with idols and statues, forgetting the message of Prophet Ibrahim completely.
There is no God but Allah. He is the greatest. Allahu Akbar. He prayed inside the Kaaba and declared it the center of monotheism, worship of Allah alone for all humanity.
In 1631, the Kaaba and the Grand Mosque were completely rebuilt after devastating floods destroyed them the year before.
Today the Kaaba stands 39 feet tall. Its walls are 1 meter thick, made entirely of polished stone on the outside.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد